Hello students, welcome to ELGA online class. In the last class, we learnt 6 three-letter words and how to identify beginning, middle and end sound. Okay? And today we will learn 6 three-letter words and how to identify middle and end sound. Okay? And welcome to phonics session. Okay? The first three-letter word is bag. Okay? Bag. What is the middle sound, students? Anyone guess it? The letter A. Yes. Sound of the letter A. Okay. See the end letter. What is the end letter? G. The name of the letter G. The sound of the letter G. Okay. What is the beginning sound? B. What is the beginning sound? B. Okay. Beginning sound B. Middle sound A. End sound G. Bag. Can you see this? Beginning sound B. Middle sound A. End sound G. Bag. Okay? Understand? The beginning sound B. Middle sound A. End sound G. Bag. Is that clear? Now go to the next word. Students, the next word is top. Do you know top? Tambara. Okay? Top. What is the beginning sound? Yes. T. Okay? What is the middle sound? A. End sound P. Okay? Beginning sound T. Middle sound A. End sound P. Top. Okay? What is the word? Top. The beginning sound T. Middle sound A. End sound P. Top. Top. What is the word? Top. Okay? Now go to the next word, students. The next word is net. Okay? The next word is net. N-E-T. Net. Net means what? Valley. Okay. What is the beginning sound? N. What is the beginning sound? N. What is the middle sound? A. What is the middle sound? A. End sound? T. End sound? T. In. A. T. Net. Net. Okay. Beginning sound. The beginning sound. Middle sound. End sound. T. End sound. T. Net. What is the word? Net. What is the word? Net. T. Net. Okay, now go to the next word. The next word is van. Okay, the next word is van. What is the beginning sound? Middle sound A. End sound Okay, the beginning sound middle sound A. End sound end sound Van. What is the word? Van. The beginning sound middle sound A. End sound Van. Okay, is that clear? What is the word? Van. Friends, the next word is ya. Ya. What is the beginning sound? Ya. Middle sound A. End sound K. Ya, A, K. Ya, A, K. Ya. What is the word? Ya. Okay, the beginning sound Ya. Middle sound A. End sound K. Ya, A, K. Ya. Ya, A, K. Ya. What is the word? Ya. Cotton. Ya, cotton. Ya. Okay. Now go to the next word. The next word is jam. The next word is jam. What is the beginning sound? Ja. Middle sound? A. End sound? The beginning sound? Ja. Middle sound? A. End sound? Jam. Ja. A. Ja. A. Jam. Ja. A. Jam. Okay. Beginning sound? Ja. Beginning sound? Ja. Middle sound? A. End sound? Jam. Ja. A. Jam. Okay. Jam. What is the word? Jam. Now look at the slide, students. The first word is bag. Yes. What is the beginning sound? B. What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? G. B. A. G. Bag. What is the word? Bag. What is this? Yes, this is ta. What is the beginning sound? Ta. What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? P. Ta. A. P. Top. Ta. A. P. Top. Okay. See the next one. Net. What is the beginning sound? What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? Ta. Net. At. In. At. Net. What is the word? Net. See the picture, students. What is this? Yes, van. What is this? Van. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? What is the middle sound? A. What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? What is the end sound? In. A. In. Van. A. In. Van. What is the word? Van. See the next one? Yeah. What is this, ma? This is cotton. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? Yeah. Okay. What is the middle sound? A. What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? K. What is the end sound? K. York. What is the word? York. Okay. See the last one. What is this? Jam. Is and jam. Do you like it? Is and jam. Okay. What is the beginning sound? Ja. What is the middle sound? A. What is the end sound? Ja. A. Jam. Ja. A. Jam. Okay. See the next slide. Yes. This is your homework, students. You can practice at your home these 6 3-letter words. Okay. You can practice at your home. This is your homework. You can practice these 6 3-letter words. Okay. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Yes, whole words. What is the next session? Whole words. In the last class, students, we learnt 6 whole words. Yes or no? Yes. The first one is my. The first one is my. The second one is I. Second one is I. Third one is like. Third one is like. Okay. Now I show some slides, students. This is your activity. Okay. They given many words, but you have find only these 3 whole words. Okay. Is that clear? They given many words, but you have circled these 3 whole words only. Okay. Now look at the slide. Yes, find the word. Yes, they given many words, but you have find only these 3 whole words. These 3 whole words are my, I, and like. Okay. Now I read the word, students. You can listen carefully. Okay. The first word is my. The first word is my. Yes, this is the one of the whole word. So you have circled this. Okay. The first one is my. Second word is cake. Second word is cake. Third word is mat. Third word is mat. Fourth one is leg. Fourth one is leg. Fifth one cat. Fifth one cat. Sixth one ink. Once again and repeat it. Okay. Listen carefully. The first word is my. The first word is my. The second word is cake. The second word is cake. Third word is mat. Fourth word is leg. Fourth word is leg. Fifth word is cat. Sixth word is ink. In this box you have circled the word my. Yes or no? Yes. In this slide you have circled the word my. Now go to the next slide. Yes. Now I read the words, students. You can listen carefully. The first word is I. The first word is I. Second word is cake. Second word is cake. Third word is mat. Third word is mat. Fourth word is line. Fourth word is line. Fifth word cat. Fifth word cat. Sixth word ink. Sixth word ink. In this slide you have circled the word I. Yes, this is the one of the whole word we learnt in the last class. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. You have circled the word I. Okay. Once again read the words. You can listen carefully. The first one I. Second one cake. Third one mat. Fourth one line. Fifth one cat. Sixth one ink. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. G. The first word is G. Second word is lie. Yes, this is one of the whole word. Okay. You have circled this word only. Okay. G. Like, table, umbrella, hand, ant. The first word is G. The first word is G. The second word is light. The second word is light. Third word is table. Third word is table. Fourth word is umbrella. Fourth word is umbrella. Fifth one is hand. Fifth one is hand. Sixth one ant. In this slide you have circled the word like. Like is one of the whole word we learned in the last class. Okay. Now look at the board, students. Today whole word session we will learn two new whole words. Okay. The first one is we. The first one is we. W-E. We. We. Okay. Second one all. Second one all. Okay. The first whole word is we. Second one is all. Okay. Now see the first whole word we using with examples. Okay. The first whole word is we. Next we see the example, students, using the whole word we. The first example, we like playing all games. All games. Where is the whole word we? It's placed on first. We. W-E. We. We like playing all games. Okay. See the next example. The teacher helped us all. The teacher helped us all. Sorry. Sorry, students. We like playing hockey. Okay, sorry. The second example is we like playing hockey. Where is the whole word we? Yes, W-E-B. Okay. The first whole word is we. W-E-B. The first example, we like playing all games. We like playing all games. Second one, we like playing hockey. We like playing hockey. Okay. Now look at the slide. The first whole word is all. Yes, the first whole word is we. Okay. Next, see the example. We like playing hockey. We like playing hockey. They boxed the whole word we. Look at the slide, students. We like playing hockey. Okay. Now see the next sentence. We like playing all games. We like playing all games. Okay. Now go to the next whole word. What is the next whole word? All. What is the next whole word? All. Look at the board, students. The next whole word is all. The next whole word is all. A-L-L, all. Now look at the examples. Okay. The first example. We like playing all games. We like playing all games. Where is the whole word all? Yes, it comes after playing. All. We like playing all games. See the second example. The teacher help us all. Help us all. Where is the whole word? It is lost. All. Okay. The second whole word is all. A-L-L, all. Next we will see the example using the whole word all. Okay. The first example is we like playing all games. We like playing all games. The second example is the teacher helped us all. The teacher helped us all. Okay. Now look at the slide, students. Yes, the second whole word is all. Next you will see the examples. We like playing all games. We like playing all games. See the second example. The teacher helped us all. The teacher helped us all. Okay. See the slide, students. Whole words. Color the words you hear. Color the words you hear. This is your activity, students. Okay. In the last class, we learnt 3 whole words. First one, my. Second one, I. Third one, like. Today class, we learnt 2 new whole words. The first one is all. Second one is we. Okay. So finally, you color the words 5. The first one is my. Second one, I. Third one, like. Fourth one, we. Fifth one, all. Okay. Finally, you color the words 5 whole words. Finally, you color 5 whole words. Is that clear? Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Yes, reading and listening comprehension. Okay. Now look at the board, students. In the last class, we read the story. What is the title of the story? Games we play. Games we play. The title of the story is Games we play. Who is the author in this story? Who is the author? Yes, the author name is Komal Ramchandani. Author name is Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Hiddi Benha. Illustrator person who has written the story book or a book. Okay, so illustrator Higby Benham. The title of the story is Gamesby Play. Author name is Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Higby Benham. Okay, now look at the slide, students. Yes, the title of the story is Gamesby Play. The title of the story is Gamesby Play. Okay. Now I read the story, students. After you can follow me. Okay. The title of the story Gamesby Play. Games. G-A-M-E-S. Games. V. W-E-V. Play. P-L-A-Y. Games mean what? விளையாட்டு. Games means விளையாட்டு. V. Yes, V is one of the whole word. We learnt in the games means விளையாட்டு. V means எல்லாரும். V is the one of the whole word. We learnt in the whole word session. Play. Play means விளையாடு. Okay. The title of the story is Gamesby Play. Author Komal Ramchandani. Author Komal Ramchandani. Next, illustrator Higby Benham. Illustrator Higby Benham. Now I read the first page, students. Next you can follow me. My friends and I play football. My friends and I play football. What does that mean? See the picture. What game they are playing? They play football. Okay. My friends and I play football. See the next page. My friends and I like football. My friends and I like football. எனக்கும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஃபுட்பால் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Okay. My friends and I like football. Okay. See the third page, students. My friends and I play hockey. What game they are playing? They are playing hockey. Okay. My friends and I play hockey. நானும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் ஹாக்கி விளையாடுறோம். Okay. See this once again and read the pages. You can follow me. Okay. My friends and I like football. Okay. See the third page. My friends and I play hockey. My friends and I play hockey. See the next page. My friends and I like hockey. My friends and I like hockey. எனக்கும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஹாக்கி பிடிக்கும். My friends and I like hockey. Okay. See the fifth page. My friends and I play cricket. Okay. In the first, which game they played? Yes, football. Second, which game they played? Hockey. Third, they played cricket. Okay. My friends and I play cricket. நானும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் cricket விளையாடுறோம். My friends and I play cricket. Next, my friends and I like cricket. My friends and I like cricket. எனக்கும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் cricket ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். My friends and I like cricket. Okay. See the seventh page. My friends and I play carom. My friends and I play carom. What they are playing? Which game they are playing, ma? They are playing carom. Okay. My friends and I play carom. Okay. Once again, I read these pages. You can follow me. My friends and I like cricket. My friends and I like cricket. See the seventh page. My friends and I play carom. My friends and I play carom. Now go to the next page. My friends and I like carom. My friends and I like carom. Okay. See the ninth page. We like playing all games. Okay? We like playing all games. Okay? Next we will learn vocabulary words. In the last class we learnt 5 vocabulary words. Yes or no? Yes. Today class we will just recap these 5 vocabulary words. Okay? The first word is football. The first one is football. Second one is hockey. Second one is hockey. Third one is cricket. Cricket. Third one is cricket. Fourth one, games. Fourth one, games. Fifth one, friends. Fifth one, friends. Fifth one, friends. Okay, the first vocabulary word, football. Football. Second one, hockey. Second one, hockey. Third one, cricket. Third one, cricket. Fourth one, games. Fourth one, games. Fifth one, friends. Friends. Okay. Now look at the slide. The first vocabulary word is football. See the picture. This is football. Okay. See the second one. What is this? This is hockey stick and hockey ball. Okay. Second vocabulary word is hockey. Second vocabulary word is hockey. Third one is cricket. Okay. They given the picture cricket stamp, cricket ball and cricket bat. This is cricket. Third one is cricket. Fourth one, games. Games means all sports are included. Okay. Games. All sports are included like carom, chess, football and cricket and etc. Okay. Games. Last word is friends. Nanbargal. In Tamil, nanbargal. Friends. Okay, once again read these 5 vocabulary words: football, hockey, cricket, games and friends. Okay, this is your activity, students. Match words with pictures. Match words with pictures. They given pictures and given words also. You can match the words with correct pictures. We can match the words with correct picture. What is the first picture? Yes, they are drawing. They are drawing. Second one, football. Second one, football. Third one, hockey stick and hockey ball. Next one, bag. Fourth picture is bag. Last one is, what do you see in this picture? They went for picnic. Yes or no? Yes, picnic. Last picture is picnic. This is your activity, students. Don't forget. Okay. You can match the words with correct pictures. Is that clear? Once again read these words. First word is football. Second word is draw. Third word is bag. Fourth word is picnic. Fifth word is hockey. Okay. Now go to the next one. Yes, sequencing. What is the meaning sequencing? What is the meaning sequencing? Already I told in the last class. Sequencing. Putting things in the correct order. Put things in the correct order. Put things in the correct. Put things in the correct order. Put things in the correct order. This is called Sequence means put things in the correct order. Correct ah inga vandu மாத்தி மாத்தி இருக்கறத வந்து நீ கரெக்ட்டா அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணு. This means sequence. Okay? Put things in the correct order. Put things in the correct order. Now look at this slide. Okay. They given the title sequencing. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Okay. You can put the number in the correct sequence. What is the first one? I think they given ready for school. So you can arrange the picture correct sequence. Okay. This is your activity. So suppose you don't have worksheet book, take a screenshot. Okay. And do this. Okay. Sequencing, number the pictures in the correct sequence. You put the correct number. See the next slide. Okay, this 3 sentence you can write about your best friend. Okay, you can write about your best friend. The first one is, this is my best friend. This is my best friend dash. Can write your best friend your name, your best friend name. This is my best friend. This is my best friend. Second question, I helped my friend in reading, study or something. Okay, I helped my friend in dash. You can please write this, students. You can write your best friend. Okay. Third one, I felt dash after helping my friend. I felt dash after helping my friend. My friend help பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவ? I felt very happy. Yes, in this dash you have write the word happy. I felt happy after helping my friend. I hope all do this. Okay. The first one is, this is my best friend. Second one, I helped my friend in dash. I helped my friend in dash. Third one, I felt dash after helping my friend. Okay. Students, in this class, in the phonics session, we learnt 6 3-letter words and the whole words. We will learn 2 new whole words. The first one is we and second one is all, and next we will learn whole words using with examples, and we read the story, games we played, and next we learnt 5 vocabulary words, and next we have activity also. Okay. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you. Take care.